So this is trig where we're missing the sides, which the sides are being labeled as x and y. And the way that you know that this is because we have the angle. So the first one I'm going to solve for is x, and x is chilling out on the hypotenuse. So what I have is I have an angle. Let me change colors here. I have the angle. I'm given the side opposite to it. That didn't change colors at all. I'm given the side opposite it. I know that the opposite side is 7, and I'm going after x, or the hypotenuse. So angle, opposite, hypotenuse, that's sine. So we're going to label it up. So sine of our angle, or sine theta, or sine whatever, sine of 35 is opposite over hypotenuse. Now sine 35 is just a number, and if you plug that into your calculator, I'm going to round just a little bit, you get 0.57 equals 7 over x. Now I want to try to get x by itself. Since it's on the denominator, we will multiply both sides by x. So I get 0.57x equals 7, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.57. So I get that x equals 12.28. Now, in order to find y, now that we have two of these sides, you could absolutely use Pythagorean's theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now that you know all the sides, I'm going to, since trig is the new thing, I'm going to use trig for this. So I'm going to go after y this time. And I still want to use the fact that the angle is 35 and that we have the opposite side. So I need the angle, the opposite, and the adjacent side. So that's tangent. So I have tangent of theta, or I'm sorry, tangent of 35 equals opposite over adjacent, so 7 over y. Tangent of 35 is just a number. Calculator magic says it's about 0.7 equals 7 over y. We're going to multiply both sides by y. So I have 0.7y equals 7. We're going to divide both sides by 0.7. So I get that y is 10. Almost perfectly. Now the last thing, if I ask you to fill out all of these, is I might ask you what this angle is up here. Now this is geometry concept. It's actually one of the easier things. You know that all the angles inside a triangle must add up to 180. So I know that this guy is 90. I know that this guy is 35. So 90 plus 35 plus something must be 180. And if you just do some simple subtraction, you get that this top angle is 55 degrees.